accidentally spent $11,000 on an advent calendar. Let me explain. First of all, it is massive. Second of all, technically you guys are the one who told me to buy this. Look at my comment section.
Let's be honest to ourselves. When did the event calendar stop being about chocolate and start costing the same as rent? Because why is an event calendar now $11,000, $10,000, $5,000? People are buying it like it's normal. Today we are talking about the most outrageous, the most expensive advent calendars on the internet right now. What's actually inside it and why they sell out every year. And what this obsession says about overconsumption, social media and us. Get comfortable, grab a drink, let's talk. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Blessing and I make videos on overconsumption, influencer culture, toxic trend that influencer try to convince us that it's normal but isn't, the influencing and all those good stuff. If this is the kind of content that you enjoy, you might consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on your post notifications so that you get notified anytime I upload content. And let's get back to the video. Okay, let's start from the beginning because this didn't just happen overnight. Remember when advent calendar were simple, cardboard, tin chocolate, a little picture behind each door. No PR unboxing, no wait list, no sold out in 5 minutes. It was never supposed to be luxury. It was supposed to be anticipation. One small thing a day, something to look forward to. And now, advent calendars are status symbol. If your advent calendar doesn't have a brand name or a resale value, or a TikTok hashtag, does it even count? And that's how we get here.
Might be an advent calendar holic, but nothing could have prepared me for when I found out Dior has an advent calendar retailing for $11,200. Like, what on earth is inside? Miss Jisoo? No, seriously, they've got their usual holiday sets and their regular advent calendar that goes for $1,050. But this one, this fancy one, it's on a whole other level with only 120 pieces in the entire world and just 2 in Singapore. Why am I thinking about it? I was tempted, so I asked you guys if I should get it and you said yes because you want to see what's inside. And not gonna lie, girl, same. Except they wouldn't let me see it. There were no display pieces. The only way to see it was to buy it. Dior basically said, trust me, bestie, and I did. So I guess we're doing it for the plot. Clearly, I have zero self-control during the holiday season. And oh my gosh, Dior actually gave me like 3,000 free gifts with this purchase. I walked out of the store with all these bags of free stuff. But you know, in girl math, it makes sense, not sense. Then the wildest part, they actually sent 2 butlers to deliver it straight to my doorstep. I kid you not, this weighed 15 kilograms. This wasn't just an advent calendar. This was furniture. I basically bought furniture from Dior Beauty. Make it make sense. They were literally taking breaks carrying this because this was heavy. So ta-da! This is the $11,200 advent calendar. If I go missing this December, please check inside the Dior box. I might have moved in. But yes, I'll be unboxing it tomorrow. Stay tuned, bestie. We spent $11,000 on an advent calendar. Let me explain. First of all, it is massive. Second of all, technically you guys are the one who told me to buy this. Look at my comment section. I actually listened to your advice. We bought it. So let's unbox our calendar together. Ta-da! Did I buy an advent calendar or did I buy furniture from Dior? You're supposed to open all these drawers according to the numbers. This is so fun. I'm an advent calendar holic. Let's start. Let's find number 1. They all have numbers like this. This is number 1. Ta-da! First up, we have a full-size fragrance. This actually retails for like $300-ish. Oh, this smells so good. 2. Look at this. I spent $11,000 for paper ornaments. Actually sell this separately. You're selling 24 ornaments for around $700. Let me know your thoughts. I think it's supposed to be paper so that you can like make it scented. So if you ever see my Christmas tree, make sure to inhale my tree. Oh, guys, I love festive candles so much. It's so pretty. Look at it. Numbers. Can you tell this is bougie because this retails for around $700. This is concentrated. If I use this, I'll probably smell like this for 3 days. Guys, more ornaments. We unlocked 2 more shapes. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is actually so beautiful. Look at the details. This is seriously pretty. Look what we got next. More perfume for a perfume lover like me. Another bougie one. What's next? Ooh. This is a hair mist. I love this scent. Look at this shape. It's the long one, number 10. Oh, perfect for Christmas. Oh my gosh. Pop this open. Pop this out. So heavy. So this is how it looks like. Oh my gosh. Another scent, guys. This is too much for me. I think I'm gonna have to do a giveaway, so stay till the end to find out how you can get some of these. When I got this calendar, I was negotiating with the essays to get a lot of free gifts. Because you know me, I love my free gifts. Stay tuned. I'm so excited. This is a pretty cap. And again, who here likes hair fragrance? Raise your hand. Ta-da! Another $700 perfume. Oh my gosh, my favorite scent. Where's Dior? I'm gonna take a peek. What is a vanity without some accessories? Hint, hint. They make me jewelry. There's something magical about advent calendars because you never know what you're gonna get, and this is actually so pretty. I love this. Another one for you guys. My favorite scent again. I guess a couple of you guys get to try my favorite scent. This is my first advent calendar with all full sizes. If you know the advent calendar world, this is actually so crazy. This is like the unicorn. These two alone could already get you like the full Dior regular advent calendar. That is insane. Number 17. Ooh. Ooh. This is a little spray. A fragrance that you can just throw into your bag. Chum chum. Another one for y'all. If you love hair fragrances, hands up. For 19, I don't want this to end. Another $700 perfume. I can't believe we're at 20 already. Y'all, 21. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look! Their signature midsole. Guys, just what I needed. Because I have this exotic Lady Dior that I don't really dare to use because I'm so rough and the handles are kind of delicate, so I'm just gonna wrap it up. I basically bought myself a Dior shop. Another hair fragrance. Like seriously, I have a mini Dior store now. Guys, last one has a special compartment. Are you ready? Woo! This is big. I know what this is already because I got last year's version. Every year they come up with a new one. It's this year's snow globe. Oh my gosh, guys, I collect these. This year's theme is a circus. This is so fun and I think Minnie's gonna love this. So pretty. This is actually insane. Let me show you guys. This is everything we got from the advent calendar. But that's not everything that I got, guys. Look at this. These are all the free gifts. Yes, you heard me. Free gifts. They are heavy. I'm gonna show you guys all the free gifts in the next video. Stay tuned for that. But
$11,000 could fix so many families' problem. And we have influencers who spend this on just perfume and pepper. I don't think it worth it. Luxury advent calendar aren't about Christmas anymore. They are about branding. Beauty brands figure this out. If you put 24 tiny products in a box, call it exclusive, and slap a bowl on it, people will justify the price. $2,000 become a deal, $5,000 become an investment, $1,000 become self-care. And the craziest part, half the products are samples. Some aren't even full bottles, some are full bottles, some are repeat from the last year. Because it's limited edition, it feels real. And because it feels rare, it feels necessary.
I spent $11,000 at Dior Beauty on this advent calendar at the back, and here are all the free gifts that Dior gave me because of that. So let's do a review of all the free gifts that I got. Let's start with the biggest bag. I have no idea what's inside because we got so many free gifts. But this box is so huge. Like, I can't believe this is a free gift. This is so exciting. Why are things always better when it's free? Are you guys ready? Ta-da! This is so cute. Is there like anything inside? Or is it just like an empty case? What is this? Ooh! They gave me this cute little head wrap. It's so plushy and silky. A Dior towel. This is like an A+ free gift. And look, we're not even done. What is this? Ooh, a wrinkle corrector. I think it's for the eyes. Oh my gosh, I was squeezing it out. I love this. My new skincare bag. Next, I got a festive bag. There's also another big box. I actually can't believe these are free gifts. Oh my gosh. Look! Wow! This is huge. Look, this is a hair perfume. And the hair perfume comes with the cutest little Dior comb. Guys, I'm so happy about this. Really good quality comb. I'm a big hair care girly, so I really like this so much. Look at the bristles. Heart, heart, heart. Speaking of hair, they gave me hair clips. It's so cute. I was expecting those simple hair clips that just has like, you know, the Dior logo embossed, something like that. But this is so cute. It has so much details. It almost looks like their jewelry. Look at the details on this. This is how it looks like when I put it on. So cute. Ooh, so cute. Looks like they're jewelry pieces. Okay, next. So far, the free gifts are insane. And this one. Oh my gosh, so cute! This is like some special limited item. It's like something around the world. And it looks like a little map. It's actually a jewelry case that you can bring when you're traveling. So convenient and so cute. And it also comes with a little Dior perfume. This Dior perfume, one of my favorites. Mostly because she's pink. You know what's the best part about this? I got another one. They get me too. So I guess I'm gonna be adding this to the giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Ooh, this one is kind of fun. This one is very festive. I'm gonna give you guys a few seconds to guess what this is. Although I don't think any of you are gonna guess what this is. Because it's kind of like unexpected. Ding, 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 ding. Whoa, it is very wrapped up. Wow.
I think these aren't just free gifts. These are to make up what is already in the advent calendar. Because watching the full video, I don't think this worth $11,000. I feel like most of these big brands, they are just big on branding. You see the big box, and you see the little things that are just coming out of it. Like, it doesn't even make sense. They make the packaging in a way that you expect so much, only for you to be seeing mini perfume, like, and peppers. Like, it's crazy. Now let's get into the really outrageous ones. Let's talk numbers. Those advent calendars that cost more than groceries for a month, rent in some cities, and actual vacation. And what do you get? Tiny perfumes, mini candles, keychains, branded dust collectors. Listen, I believe so many people love luxury, so many people love nice things. But let's be honest, if something costs $11,000 and by the day 12, you are really disappointed, what are you really paying for? Because the excitement wears faster, the bus gets empty, and then what? Another bus next year? Yeah.
I bought so many, but we still have so much more. This is crazy. Is this like the gold pouch that I've been seeing on TikTok? Oh my god, it is. Oh, guys, this is even more special than that. Guys, it's a star pouch, and this is actually so cute. Look at how shimmery it is. This is so cute. The theme is theming. They really got me so many free gifts. You know, something I just found out is that you can negotiate your free gifts with Mr. Dior. Because what the heck, I was sat with my essay for a good 1 hour, making sure that I got all my free gifts, my birthday gifts, my welcome gift, my door gift, every single possible thing. That is why I got so many free gifts. A good essay will get you so many free gifts. And also my Asian husband, because he was the one negotiating all my free gifts. Because in real life, I'm so shy. I don't dare to ask, can I have more free gifts? But my husband was like, give her everything. So let's see what's the next gift. This is technically their birthday gift, some member's birthday thing, but ooh, guys, this is like a lipstick case. This is actually so cute. You can hang this as a little back charm, and then you can slot the lippy inside. So cute. Amazing free gift. I also got a spa session as part of the free gift. This is like worth $500. I'm gonna give this to my mom. We've got so many already, but we got 3 more of these left, so let's start with this big one. Honestly, this feels unreal. I think Dior has the best free gift so far. We gotta give credit where credit is due. Guys, this is so pretty. Can I keep this one? This one is so cute. A mini fragrance, like a travel fragrance spray. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it smells heavenly. Look at the details. But why did they just give me a huge dust bag for that? Huh? I'm so confused. I got a small little scented candle. It's basically the baby of this big one that I got. So cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh. We got more babies. The minis of the fragrances behind me, and this is my favorite scent, Chris Dior. This is honestly a very nice size. I got special Dior stamps, like these are real stamps, so cute. Something sounds expensive. Last but not least, we got some skincare, and my essay told me that this is from their premium line, so it's worth like quite a lot. You can tell by the packaging. Oh my gosh, this isn't like normal free gifts type of samples. You can tell. Crazy. Now this is how you do free gifts. Other brands, please take note.
And then that brings us to social media. Advent calendar didn't become outrageous by accident. Social media made it that way. Unboxing videos, day 1, day 2, day 3, creators racing to be the first to unbox some of this advent calendar. And suddenly, not buying one feels like you are missing out on Christmas itself. You are not just watching someone open a box, you are watching a lifestyle you are supposed to want. And even if you know it's marketing, it still works because overconsumption doesn't always look ugly. Sometimes it looks aesthetic.
Out of Sephora? You mean out of Sephora? What do you mean? Sephora sent 3 girlies to my house to deliver this ginormous thing. I could be saying a Sephora Santarina was surprising me with something. But girl, it is not a surprise for me. The surprise for us! We're giving this away to you guys. This is insane. Oh my gosh, it is full, guys. Stay till the end to find out how you can get these. By the way, this survived the fall, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be giving away. This is spoiler alert, there's even an advent calendar inside. I can't believe 3 of you are each gonna get all all of these. 3 bags for 3 of you. Let's see what you're getting. First of all, full set of Sol de Janeiro fragrances. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy. You guys are gonna get so spoiled. Sephora released its fall, you guys, because there's also this Sol de Janeiro set. It's gonna be so perfect for your vacation. There's the body wash, the Bum Bum cream, and another fragrance. Patrick Ta and Makeup by Mario are here. Let's watch it. This is gorgeous. Ooh, green. Whoa, such a beautiful shade. Oh my god. Chin-chan! Whoever wins this, please use this for a slay night out. Wow. Sephora has the best brands. Patrick Ta icon. Did someone say hair? Because oh my gosh, wait! I am so tempted to keep this. Wow. We got a scalp and body scrub because you gotta like scrub your scalp sometimes. Because for healthy hair, it always starts with the scalp. We got a detox shampoo and a body cleanser. I love Way. 3 Laneige holiday gift sets. Bouncy Firm serum, eye mask, and sleeping mask. Midnight minis. Oh, we lit minis. You can give this to your other bestie. More Sol de Janeiro. This is insanity. Your entire house, your mom, your grandpa, your grandma, your dogs are gonna smell so good. I don't think this is pet safe. Please don't spray it on your dog. One of my favorites, Cosette and K18 for your healthy look. And guys, a whole advent calendar. Sephora was generous. This has 24 surprises, not 12. 24! I don't want to spoil the surprise, so I'm gonna give you guys just a little glimpse. Are you ready? Wow, this is crazy. All of them are numbered, so this is gonna be so fun. If you win this, are you gonna open everything all at once, or are you gonna do it day by day? This is like a box of chocolates. There is a menu at the back, but it's a secret. But hint, there's the eyeshadow palette in here. We got blush, we got lippies, skincare of course. It's a lot of things. I'm so excited for you. I can't believe 3 of you are gonna win all of these. And we still have more. I'm gonna create mystery giveaway boxes with the things that are in here. Sneak peek of what to expect in the mystery box, aka Sephora's newest thing. I'll tell you guys how to win the mystery boxes over in my channel. And this is literally everything. Read the caption and good luck, guys.
Now let's talk about the emotional side of this. Why we keep buying anyway. We don't buy these calendars because we need them. We buy them because they promise something. Routine, joy, control, a reason to feel excited every day, especially during the holidays when everything is stressed. Those boxes are comforting, but comfort shouldn't cause guilt and joy shouldn't come with regrets. Let's wrap this up honestly. I am not saying never buy an advent calendar. I am saying be honest with yourself. Are you buying joy or are you buying pressure? Because Christmas doesn't need to be curated to be meaningful, and you don't need a $7,000, $11,000, $10,000 box to enjoy the Xmas. If you enjoy this conversation, give this video a like. It will really help grow my channel. Subscribe if you love talking about trends, overconsumption, and internet culture, and comment below what is the most outrageous advent calendar you have seen or thought of. Let's talk. I am Blessing and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.